On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can make an object in a photo bigger without photo resizing. This is how to do it. First, open Settings and make sure that Photo Assistant is on. So go to Galaxy AI, Photo Assist, the feature is on. Now you can continue. Next, open the gallery. If you don't have gallery icon on your home screen, just swipe up from the bottom, open the app screen and select gallery from there. Now open any album and select photo where you wish to enlarge an object. Then tap on AI icon at the bottom of the screen, these stars. Now make sure you are on the Generative Edit tab and now roughly trace the object you wish to enlarge. And now tap on this diamond. Now you can resize and rotate the object. Tap on Generate. And that's it, your photo is ready. You can view original. Tap on this View Original button. And of course, don't forget to save the copy of your photo. When you save an image edited with AI, a watermark and content credentials are added to the image to show that it contains AI-generated content. Got it. And that's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.